Good morning, everyone. Welcome to CSAT Daily Dose, where we see a where the objective is to expose you to wide variety of problems, and not only a wide variety of problems, but also a different number of ways to solve the same problem. And let's deal with the question today. And after I read the question, pause the video, solve it for yourself, and then compare it with my solution. Okay. Two rooms, one square and one rectangular, have the same height. Okay. The length of the rectangular room is 20% more than the side of the square room. Okay. And the breadth of the rectangular room is 10% less than the side of the square room. Okay. The total surface area of four walls of the rectangular room is how much percent more or less than that of the square room? Okay. How much percent is total surface area of four walls of rectangular room? Okay, much or more than that of the square. Now, pause the video, solve for yourself, and then we'll see the solution in a few seconds. I hope all of you have solved the question. Now, let's get back. So, there is a square room. There is a square room. Which has square walls. Okay, which has square walls. Now let me draw a rectangle here too, because it will be easier for you to visualize. Okay. Now, the length of the rectangular room. Okay, the length of the rectangular room is 20% more. Let me just change. Okay. So let this be L. Okay. Have the same height. Of course, their height is same. H. Okay. This is a square room. This is a rectangular room. Okay. So what will be area? How many walls are there? There are four walls. So 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Or imagine the room that you are sitting in. It has four sides. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Left, right, front, and back. So it will be 4. Okay. And what is the area of this thing? So it is height is h, L is the length. So area is nothing but length into breadth. Here, since it is a square, so it becomes 4h into L. Okay, 4h into L. So this is 4HL. Now, the height is same. The height is same. The length is for a rectangular room. Okay, the height is same. The length is, it has given 20% more. So it is 1.2L. If the side of a square is L, it becomes 1.2L. And the breadth of the rectangular room is 10% less. 10% less than the side. So the breadth is 10%. So this is 0.9L. Okay, 0.9L. Now see, since this being a rectangular, because this is a square, all four sides are the same. But since this being a rectangle, okay, it is different. You see, the front and the back dimensions are different. The left and the right dimensions are different. So what is the area for this? Area for this wall longer side, it is length into breadth, which is 1.2 L into H, plus what is the area of this? H is height, it remains the same, it is 0.9 L. Okay, it is 0.9 L, 0.99 into H. And there are two repetitions of this. Okay, we have calculated for only one side. There is another side of the same dimension, and there is another side of the same dimension. So it is multiplied by 2. So this becomes 1.2 plus 9 is 2.1 LH, and 2.1 into 2 is 4.2 LH. Okay, 4.2 LH. Now he is asking the percentage. How much is it more? Okay, it is 0.2 over 4. So you could take out the decimal and make it 41 by 20. So 1 by 20 is how much? 5%. 5%. The rectangular area is more than that of the square area. So the answer is 5% more. Okay, the answer is the 5% more. Okay. The problem has no difficult complexity. All you need to do is, if you are able to visualize the problem well, it is a straightforward from there. I hope you learned something new here. We'll be back with another question. Thank you.